the mightiest monsters of all time. King Kong, mammoth, unconquerable, versus Godzilla, released from an icy tomb to pulverize a panic-stricken world. King Kong, Godzilla, together on a rampage of destruction, fire-breathing, colossal Godzilla, impervious to man's most fiery weapons. Nothing you have ever seen, nothing you have ever felt could prepare you for this colossus of entertainment. Spectacular, unbelievable, the world's mightiest monsters in the battle of the century. Mighty King Kong, immune even to 1 billion volts of electricity. Godzilla, immune to man's most fiery weapons. King Kong, the unconquerable. Godzilla, the indestructible. King Kong versus Godzilla.